Welcome back to English Café. Today, Sarah and I want to show you how English sounds in real life. Everyday situations and warm places, a simple day, a natural conversation.
The cafe is quiet in the morning. I've wiped down the counter. I check the cups. Emma, can you hand me the spoon? I ask.
Of course, here you go. I place a spoon on the counter. We always start like this, calm, slow, and ready for a new day.
What do you feel like drinking today? I ask.
I think I want a warm latte. I repeat it slowly. A warm latte.
And I want a simple hot tea. Hot tea always helps me start the day. The first customer. Simple questions.
A man walks in. He looks friendly, but a little nervous.
Good morning, I say softly. How can I help you today?
Man, I would like a coffee, a small coffee. I smile, a small coffee. Great choice. I say it again, slowly. A small coffee.
And would you like sugar? I repeat. Sugar? Yes or no?
Yes, one sugar. One sugar. Perfect. This reputation helps him and our students hear natural English patterns.
Two friends enter. Greeting practice. The door opens again. Two young men come in. They are laughing.
Good morning. How are you today? I ask. We're good. A little tired, but good.
I repeat, a little tired, but good. Students hear the natural rhythm. Friend 2, can we have 2 iced coffees?
Sure, 2 iced coffees coming right up. I say it again slowly. 2 iced coffees.
While Emma prepares the drink, I ask, are you from Riverstone?
Friend 1, yes, we live nearby. That's great. Welcome to English Café.
A young man enters. He looks nervous. He looks like somebody practicing English.
Hello, I greet him gently. What would you like today?
Young man, I want, hot chocolate? I smile big. Perfect, a hot chocolate. I repeat slowly, hot chocolate. Young man, yes, hot chocolate.
Your English is good. I say simple words, big impact.
He blushes. Thank you, I'm learning. We're all learning, I tell him. You're doing great.
A delivery man enters with boxes. Delivery man. Good morning, I have your order.
What's inside? I ask.
Delivery man. Milk, sugar, bread, and fresh fruits. I repeat slowly for students. Milk, sugar, bread, fresh fruits.
Thank you, I say. We needed this.
Delivery man. You're welcome. He waves and leaves. When the cafe is quiet again, I look at Sarah. Sarah, can you help me clean the tables?
Sure, no problem, she repeats. No problem.
We clean slowly, talking softly. Simple English, natural English.
I like working here, I say. It feels good.
Me too. I like helping people practice English.
I like when they try, even when they make mistakes.
Especially when they make mistakes. We laugh.
At noon, people start coming in fast.
Customer 1. Can I get a sandwich? A sandwich, sure.
Customer 2. I want a cappuccino, no sugar. A cappuccino, no sugar.
Customer 3. Do you have muffins? Yes, we do. We have blueberry muffins. Customer 3. I'll take one.
One blueberry muffin.
We repeat to help learners hear the patterns naturally.
A woman enters holding a small notebook.
Welcome to the English Café, I say. What can I get for you?
Woman, I would like a tea, just a tea, hot tea. One hot tea, I repeat. She sits at a quiet table and opens her notebook. She writes slowly.
I bring her the tea. What are you writing? I ask gently.
Woman, a list, she says. A list of positive things. That sounds beautiful, I say. Woman, it helps my English and my heart.
The evening learning moment. As the day gets quieter, a boy and his mother enter.
The boy looks shy. He hides behind his mom. Mother, he wants to order by himself, she says softly.
I kneel slightly to be at his level. Hi there. What would you like? Boy, a tiny whisper. I want juice.
A juice? I say with a big smile. Great choice.
Boy, juice, he repeats. He smiles. See? I say, you did it.
When everybody leaves, the cafe becomes quiet again. I turn off the lights one by one.
What a good day, I say.
Yes, a day full of English, she repeats. Full of English.
A day full of practice.
A day full of courage.
We look around the cafe. The empty cups, the quiet tables, the warm lights.
This place teaches English, even when we don't try.
It's the cafe, I whisper. The English Café.